Welcome back to the channel. Tampa Boy Rod Shop here. Got a little trick here. If you're painting a motor and you think you got it all clean, just check this out. Take your little torch. You can see that. See that big moisture going? All that's in there. You couldn't get that off of there if you heat it up. Cast steel, cast iron, holds moisture. You take that torch and get all that moisture out of that cast. Then the paint will stick to this. I'm sure you painted a motor and the paint come off a month or two. This will keep that paint on that block. Look how wet it is right there. Wetting the cast iron is what I would call it. This is a trick for Uncle Tony's Garage. Just a plug for him.